Well, Hollywood Hill, here it is, April 7th. What a day. We just found out that school is going to be closed for the rest of the school year, and I'm very disappointed, as well as I know your teachers are very disappointed. We watched the governor's press conference together on a conference call so we could talk about it. I'm sure that you'll want to talk about it, and I'll be setting up a meeting where we can get together and we can do that. It won't happen until after spring break, but I want to be able to answer the questions that you have. The top one for me was, how do I get you all of your stuff that we left at school? We're going to work on that. We probably won't address it until after this new stay home order ends on May 4th. If at that point the governor allows us to go out and do more things, then we'll be able to do it pretty easily. But at that point, we'll make another decision about how we get you all of your things. And we want to make sure that learning keeps going. That's going to be really important. We are so proud of these Google Classrooms that we've put together by grade level so that your teachers can team together to teach each grade level. We know that as you go into the next school year, it's going to be important that there's information that you learn now that will help you in the next year. We also know that we're going to be able to give you tests and figure out what you don't know so we can meet you exactly where you are in the fall. Don't worry if you're having a hard time learning something. Ask your teachers. That's what our Tuesdays and Thursdays and our Monday, Wednesday, and Friday afternoons are for. So they can meet with you and help you to learn the content that we need for the next grade level. The other thing that I wanted to talk to you about was our spring break assignment for this Tuesday. This is my favorite one. Well, so far my favorite one. My favorite one for today? I don't know. I just love this idea. What we are going to do for today, Tuesday, is we're going to write letters and share them. And we really want you to concentrate on a friendly letter. And so a friendly letter looks like this, where you write the date, dear, and you're just going to say resident, and I'll tell you who we're sending them to in a little bit. And you can write your note and then sincerely and your name. You're going to want to ask your family if it's okay to use your home address. And if it isn't, that's just fine. You'll use your Hollywood Hill address. You'll notice on the Google Classroom, our Hollywood Hill address is right here. Now, here's the cool part. We have a group of over 200 retired people who live at Brittany Park just here in Woodinville. And they are all quarantined to their rooms right now, not getting a lot of mail and getting no visitors. So we thought, Miss Lamba's idea, that we could write letters to them and bring them joy and cheer. So I'm hoping that you'll join with me and everybody will write a letter. The address is here in the Google Classroom assignment, so you can address it and put it in the mail to Brittany Park. Now, if you don't have a stamp or you don't have an envelope, email works just as well. You can go ahead and attach your letter here in Google Classroom, or you can email it to me directly at dwaters@nsd.org. And I'll print those out and I'll mail them down to Brittany Park. So I do hope that you'll join me in this, and I'm hoping that maybe this is something that you'll do more than once. I know that the first graders are going to focus on doing it after spring break, but man, 204 people who need our love. If we could get those letters out to them every week, wouldn't that be wonderful? So that's the assignment for today. I am so sad that we are not going to be coming back for the rest of this school year, but we're going to make it great, and we're going to do great things together here online because we're stars, and that's what we do. We shine even when we're not together. So remember to be safe, respectful, and responsible, because you make Hollywood Hill and your home a great place to be. I'll talk to you very soon.